Mukuru w'abaramuzi yahika chome cha government echa Mbarara Central Prison ahi yaigura kooti ziri kuza okuhurikiriza emanja z'embohe okumara sandeji.
Square meters, international standards.
Omwanya gw'ekihome ogwabire gubarirwe okukomeraho omuntu omwe obwahati nibakomeraho abantu 8 ekiriya kyakabi ahamagara gabo.
Plea bargaining we have disposed in Mbarara area only, Mbarara High Court Circuit, 2,300 cases of people who negotiated their punishment. Now, for the ordinary session, if I assign 2 judges to come to Mbarara with a view to finish 2,300 cases, will take them 7 years. When they work every day from Monday to Friday, non-stop, without doing anything else, they're just doing criminal matters. And the cost of plea bargain for these cases which I've mentioned was 700 million from 2014 to now. Whereas the cost of completing those same number of cases through a full-blown trial would be 2,300,000,000 shillings.
Eki nikijaho bwanyuma y'ekitongore ky'abaramuzi okubura sente z'okuheereza emirimo abaramuzi ab'eihanga abarikumara omu byanga ekiri kureetera emanja zakanya.
The other people will be standing when the other 4 are sleeping. Now, why is plea bargain as an innovation, as a criminal justice process, useful and meaningful? It is because someone who knows that he or she has done what is being accused for comes forward and says, yes, I did it. And then bargains. Instead of getting a long carceral sentence, that person is given a reasonable, it's still punitive, the person is still punished.
Actually encourage all prisoners and inmates to make sure that they go for pre-bargaining. If they are so sure that they did the offense and they are guilty, let them go for pre-bargaining so that we can decongest ourselves.
The Michael Mwachire, our TV West, Agacencwire.